Hi guys, welcome to xstopz. My name is Kate and I will show you how to make cardboard glasses. First of all, we need a cardboard and a clear plastic and a marker and a scissors. First of all, we do like this and just shape it and draw it. These are the eyes and these are the arms. Now we have to cut them out and ask the adult to do it. Ready? Now I finished cutting it. Now I have to glue it in to make it like this. First, I'm going to color them in. Now I'm going to make the glasses and trace it around and glue it in.
Hi guys, welcome to xstopz. My name is Kwani and he's doing his sunglasses. These are my sunglasses.
Finished!
Like this.
Now we're going to cut them out. Right.
He's cutting his scissors.
He looks cool, right?
I'll come back later, baby.
Finished! Now we're going to glue them in the back of the glasses.
I do to help you.
Now we're going to put a glue around it, then stick it on.
That's how you do it.
Now we're going to glue them on, but first we're going to put something near them.
Some books and me.
Done. Now we have to wait for it to dry. Finished. This is what they look like. Now, if you like this video, then please subscribe and put the
notification bell
and put the hands up and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.